What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off Google Assistant on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Go back to your home screen and open Google. Click on your profile icon and then click on settings. Now here click on Google Assistant. Now in Google Assistant scroll down and here click on General. Now in General you will see a Google Assistant button on the top. So to turn off Google Assistant, tap on this button to turn it off, and from the pop-up click on Turn Off to turn off Google Assistant. So that's how you can turn off Google Assistant on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.